Bondada Engineering Limited has announced the exchanges about the intimation of receipt of multiple orders for the supply of defense equipment or materials from multiple PSUs, namely BEL, DRDO, DRDL, SHAR and AVNL, with a total amount aggregating to 2.10 crore rupees. SEPC Limited has announced that it has secured a letter of acceptance from SAIL IICSO Steel Plant, Burnpur. The project is cited to be executed by SEPC Limited with pellet plant BOP, including civil and structural works for the pellet plant package 2 at SAIL IICSO Steel Plant, Burnpur, supporting the steel producers' 4.08 million tons per annum crude steel expansion project. NHPC Limited has announced that Gursharan Singh, head of NHPC's Loktat Power Station, met Govindas Konthujam, Honorable Home Minister of Manipur, to discuss matters related to the Loktak Power Station and its ongoing renovation and modernization (RNM) works. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has approved an investment of 856.94 crore rupees for the reconductoring of two key 400 kV transmission lines in Tamil Nadu as part of its network strengthening and capacity enhancement initiatives. Indian Railways has approved amendments in the Model Concession Agreement governing the permission to operators to run container trains on the Indian Railways network. The approved changes will allow container train operators to run container trains on all routes across the network with a single All India license and a uniform registration fee of 25 crore rupees. Power Grid reported a consolidated net profit of 3,598 crore rupees for Q1 FY27, showcasing a resilient performance amidst a dynamic regulatory environment. The company's standalone net profit for the quarter stood at 3,410.95 crore rupees, a slight increase from 3,653.23 crore rupees in the corresponding period last year. Central Mine Planning and Design Institute Limited has signed a memorandum of agreement with Frontline Global Services Ranchi to provide residential phlebotomy technician training to 60 unemployed youth from Jharkhand under its CSR program for FY 2026-27. CMPDI has allocated 73.62 lakh rupees for the initiative. Coal India has extended relief to families impacted by floods in Assam. Its unit, North Eastern Coalfields in Margarita, organized a relief camp for the affected communities. Essential items were provided to support the flood-hit families, included household utensils, disinfectant kits, galvanized roofing sheets, roof joint connectors. ONGC has confirmed a final dividend of 1 rupee per share for the financial year 2025-26. In an official filing to the stock exchanges on August 6, 2026, the company has also fixed the record date that will decide which shareholders become eligible for this payout. The cutoff date is Friday, September 4, 2026. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the construction of a 4-lane access-controlled highway from Behata Chariali near Guwahati to Tezpur in Assam. The project covers a total length of 135.87 kilometers along NH15, excluding the 15.11 kilometers Mangaldoy bypass, and will be developed on Build, Operate, Transfer toll mode at a total capital cost of 8,970.20 crore rupees.